Make your specific person choose you. Make them want you. And I do mean badly. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And you may not realize it, but you have within you the ability to make your specific person choose you, to want to be near you, in a very, very obsessive way. It's up to you. Now, this whole notion of obsession, that can be good or bad, just depending. But either way, they're going to want you very, very much. After you use this technique, they're going to want to be with you. They're going to be more deeply attracted to you. They're going to text you more often, texting, and they're going to give you more attention. All you have to do is make them want you. Now, the problem with manifesting or attracting a specific person is most people don't get clear. And it's essential that you get crystal clear on your intention, on what you desire. You need to know almost in minute detail how you want your specific person to act, how you want them to treat you, how you want them to pursue you, the kind of behavioral habits that they have. I had one client, she says, I really want Jim back. I want him back with all my heart and soul. The problem is Jim was a heavy drinker, and she did attract him back, but she attracted Jim, the heavy drinker, back. What she really desired was the version of Jim that didn't drink. That's what she really wanted, but she wasn't clear with her intention. So you need to be absolutely crystal clear. Now, this technique is a simple method I call flip the script. Using this method, you can attract your specific person. And if you don't have a specific person, you can attract the kind of person you really desire, your twin flame or your soulmate, the love of your life. And you can do it easily and effectively. So we're going to be using the law of assumption. And the law of assumption, it's a mindset. It's called the law of assumption, but it's actually a technique that is used in the law of attraction. It's a mindset that works with the law of attraction. The law of assumption states what you believe to be true about your reality will shape your reality. The problem is so many people, especially when it comes to relationships, especially when it comes to a specific person, are trapped with old beliefs. It's not going to work. There's a third party. He's just ghosting me. And the more they live in that assumption, that assumptive belief, the more they give power to the 3D reality that they live in, well, the worse it gets. So people will ask me, Robert, how do I believe that my specific person is going to adore me, love me, chase me, want to be near me when they ignore me, when they ghost me, when they disrespect me, when they don't show me affection, when they have a third party involved, and when they refuse to commit to me? Step one in the flip the script technique is as follows. Be clear. Write down who and what you desire to manifest. It's not just a name. You can use a person's name, but you also want to put down the characteristics and the traits and the habits of that individual. It's very important. Remember the case where one of my clients wanted to manifest Jim, and she did. He came back, but he still had a bad drinking problem. Now, if you don't have anybody specific, write down your twin flame or your soulmate, but still write down the qualities that you want to manifest. So number two is then read those specifications over so that you have them. Then close your eyes and step into their reality. In other words, You're going to step into their reality, into their energy field, and for a few moments, you're going to become them. You now have all the qualities of them and the qualities that you desire in them. Visualize yourself as them. See, what this allows you to do, high flyers, this allows you to tap in to their frequency. And so now you're attuned, you're aligned. We talk about alignment a lot on this channel. You are aligned with their vibration and frequency. Next, step 3, script the flip. Yes, you heard that right. It's script the flip. So in this situation, you're going to open your eyes and you're going to start writing again, but you're now writing as them. You are scripting and flipping at the same time. And you are writing down on the paper the qualities that they desire in you. And then describe yourself. Write down all your attributes. Write down all your positive qualities, physical, emotional, mental, psychological. Write them all down and write them as if this was them, because you're in their frequency. You are them writing about what they desire. What they desire is to be with you. Step 4. Now, after you have finished writing all this down, now sit back and feel the emotions of being the person they want. Close your eyes and just feel. They have written down the kind of person they want. The kind of person they want is you. They've even used your name, but they've written down your qualities. They've written down all the things they like about you. And now just enjoy it and feel it. Feeling is the secret. Now, step 5 is clear yourself out of their energy field and feel yourself totally back into your own energy field, and then give a moment or two for gratitude. Be grateful that you have such a great relationship, that your specific person really desires you and wants you and craves you and needs you, and maybe is even obsessed with you. Remember, you are everything they want. Visualize the two of you holding each other, looking into each other's arms now, feeling how much your partner wants you and desires you, and how close the two of you are. Feel that energy, feel that happiness, feel that joy. You are everything they want. Now, one of the ways to give yourself an edge in all kinds of manifesting your specific person, money, losing weight, health, is to visit miraclehypnosisonline.com. Try it out. 3 days, absolutely free. If you like it, you can get the app at the App Store or the Google Store, and you can use the app and you can carry it with you everywhere. People are literally using these programs to change their life. miraclehypnosisonline.com. The next video is especially for you. Namaste.